Hi, my name is Alina. I live in Kyiv and I love to cook. Today I want to show you some delicious option of cooking spring rolls. It's very tasty and simple. First of all, you need rice paper, any vegetables, fish, seafood or meat. I cook the shrimps and prepare all the necessary vegetables. You can use any vegetables and fruits. I like to add carrot, cucumber, mango, avocado. These vegetables go well with shrimps and salmon. Also, I add pieces of nori and Philadelphia cheese. Each sheet of rice paper should be well moistened with water. After that, I put all the ingredients with a lettuce leaf. Also, I like to make sweet spring rolls. This is delicious and easy dessert. You can also add any ingredients you like. I put banana, Philadelphia cheese, mango and mint leaves. I usually use soy sauce for spring rolls, but sometimes I make a sauce with wasabi, yogurt and soy sauce. It's very tasty. For the sweet roll, I use the most delicious coconut sauce, the recipe of which you can see in the previous video. It's really delicious and so easy. Thanks for watching, subscribe and leave a comment if you like my videos. Bye!